course, it'll never focus. I'm thinking of doing a kit bash right away at the same time with this one. Since the popcorn popper here, since it's really ugly, it's got that straight axle. Front. Like that. I'm thinking of using that straight axle on that thing. And then use this one. Got a little knob on top where it goes to the frame. And where the axles come out. It'll drop that front end down. And then that one there, it'll make that one stand up a little bit if I put this one on that. So one thing about that thing there is that these springs on the end, it's got nothing, the other one's got nothing to stabilize it. At least this one here will at least have something to stabilize that one. Because even in the center, it's got one spring in the center. It's got no sway bars whatsoever, besides being ugly. You know, like I kit bashed this one with the Autocar, putting a semi cab on instead. Here I'm showing you right here. It's got the one spring. That thing just pivots right in the center. No, there's just like no sway bar whatsoever. Then on the front, it's just got no control whatsoever. No radiator. The forks should be in the back where the big tires are anyways. That's why I'm putting the forks in the back. Putting radiator in it. Put the radiator from the Autocar. Got the hole in the hood and stuff for motor. So yeah, so I'm not just doing a group build. Isn't that cool? I think it'll look pretty cool. This one also, I open it, put it back, open it, put it back. And it looks cool, the artwork on here. When they made theirs, their prototype on here, it looks horrible. Especially because there's no chrome. They painted their chrome, or they didn't have chrome done yet when they made the prototype model. So they just painted it silver. Horrible. Also in the kit too, they come with these little flat things to cover the wheels. And I'm like, why the hell would you want to cover those beautiful wheels with flat discs? I'm only putting one supercharger on too. It's stupid to have them double stacked like that. The body is up here. What I'm gonna do a rusting tutorial someday. I'm gonna do a little diorama, just a little body sitting in the field. So, but yeah, it was a kit bash. So made it with a semi because the axles and the width of the semi axles damn near the same. So that's why I decided to do a kit bash with these kits, the 1/20th and the semi trucks. And I was going to do a kit bash with this model with another semi. And I'm like, I got the popcorn machine and the peanut machine. It's in there, all that. And I'm like, I kind of like the body. I'm like, well, maybe I'll build it with just the way it is with that body. So I wasn't going to do a kit bash. But now I get to do a kit bash anyways, because I'm putting this straight axle on that so I can raise the front end up a little bit. And I'm going to do the drop axle because this one comes with an option of a non-turning axle, non-chrome, and one that the knuckles were steerable turning. So I'm going to put that on this so I can have a drop axle, so I can have a real low in the front. Of course, it'll never focus on that, you know. That's the one thing I wanted to focus on, is that front axle, and that was the one thing it refuses to fucking focus on.